I'll bet you didn't know that our airport is also a museum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Khalifa Haroon, also known as Mr. Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari, and today we're going to be talking about 5 art installations that you can go and check out at Hamad International Airport. By the way, there are much more than 5. I've actually got like 10 on the list in front of me, so maybe you can go and find the rest. And if you want me to talk about the rest, maybe let me know in the comment section below.
Now to leave a great comment.
Number 1 is the most famous. It was designed by Swiss artist Urs Fischer and is also known as the Lampbear. There are actually 3 of these bears, and yes, one of them is here in Qatar. This one is yellow, there's also a second yellow one, and then there's a third blue one, which is located in Rhode Island. And I just have a question, Mr. Urs. Why didn't you make one yellow, one blue, and I don't know, maybe one green, one red? Oh, yeah, make it green. Because when you add blue and yellow, it becomes green.
Yes, science!
Just suggesting here, you know, you're the artist, not me. Now, by the way, even though it is yellow and it looks like a nice fluffy bear, it is made of bronze. So, yeah, you don't wanna punch that. You'll break your fist. Of course, whenever I go to the airport, you know what I gotta do, you know? First thing I do is I take a little selfie with the bear. And that's basically like the airport. It's like Qatar saying goodbye, bon voyage.
I'm just bidding a bon voyage à la mon petit fiancé.
Number 2 is called A Small Lie, and I tell no lie, it is created by cows. This one is located near Concourse E. Perfect location since 30 million passengers go through per year. So they go by, they're traveling, they're having fun, they're like, oh, it's cows! And then they go to their destination. The really interesting thing is that it was designed to make the people looking at it feel small, but also feel motherly. You know, wanting to take care of it and protect it. Pretty interesting, right?
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Number 3 is the Flying Man. This one was created by Iraqi artist Dia Al-Azawi. Now, this sculpture was created in honor of Furnaz. He was known as one of the first pioneers to toy around with flight. And of course, it's appropriate to be at the airport, right? We're all flying around. And the 2 tall cylinders are inspired by the pillars in Mesopotamia. Where can you find it? You can find it at the arrivals and meet and greet area. So check that out.
Check it out. Check it out. I'll stop by.
Number 4 is the Desert Horse, created by Qatari artist Ali Hassan. Now, this sculpture was a fusion between classical techniques and abstraction. Now, the reason why this is special is because it represents the Bedouin choice of travel, horses. Near and dear to our hearts. And of course, if you're interested in checking out the iconic Desert Horse, you can find it right outside gate number 3.
Wanna see something?
How about a horse?
Number 5 are the 8 Oryxes. Is it Oryxes? Oryxi? Oryxes. Dutch artist Tom Claassen created these Oryxes at the arrivals. They're like a herd. Just like how people, you know, herd around the arrivals terminal waiting for their people to arrive or their family member or something. So you can be like, hi, it's me. Oh, you're here. Oh, yeah, it's amazing. You know? So yeah, they're herding around. The sculptures are supposed to be humorous and telling, representing the era of mass travel. And actually, I think a lot of people try to touch the Oryx, and so certain parts of them now are starting to get shiny. You know why they get shiny, by the way?
Why?
Human oils. Our oils are like giving them a nice shine.
Oily.
Oh, so oily.
All right, guys, so those were just 5 of the sculptures that you can check out in the airport. And as I said, if you want more, let me know in the comment section below. There's actually one that is really super extra special. It's my favorite that I haven't mentioned. So yeah, if you want to hear about that, let me just tell you, it's gold.
I love gold.
So if you like this episode, please don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to share, and of course, subscribe. And while you're subscribing, you might check out that bell and be like, hey, what's that? Don't ask questions, just click. Ma'as salama.